Okay, number 1 is dealing with real-world algebraic equations. So George is starting a coin collection, and his dad gave him 75 coins. Each month he will add 20 coins to his collection. So we're going to try to figure out what we need going forward. So first of all, we got to figure out, what did we start with? How many coins did we start with? Did we start with 0? No, we didn't start with 0, because George, his dad, gave him 75 coins to start with. So that's going to be really important for us to realize going forward. The next thing we got to think about is what factor is dependent in this problem. What's going to change? So what does dependent means? We're looking at every month we're going to add coins. So every month we add coins. So the amount of coins and the amount of money we're going to have is going to be dependent on the amount of months. So the number of months in this problem is going to be represented by X. So let's try to figure out what that means in terms of our answer choices. So if X is our months and we're going to add 20 coins every month, we're going to see 20X in our equation somewhere. And you can see by this problem, both B and D have 20X in our equation, which makes sense. A and C has 75X, which would be 75 coins per month, but we know it's only 20. So that eliminates A and C from our answer choices. So what do we have to do? What we have left? We have y equals 20x plus 75 and y equals 20x minus 75. So let's go back to what we had at the beginning. His dad gave him 75 coins. He didn't take them away, he gave them to them. So we're looking at plus 75. So when we have 75B, we're adding 75. D is subtracting 75. His dad didn't take coins away from him, which leaves us with B, and you can see that represented in our equation. So our final answer to this problem, B, y equals 20x plus 75.